Hey there, it's Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to talk about swim spa costs. I want to give you a guide in this video of what swim spas generally cost in Canada in 2025. So as you shop around, you should know roughly what you should be paying for a swim spa. We're going to look at entry level, mid-range, and top of the line pricing. As well, we're going to talk about any of the associated costs with buying a swim spa. Most entry-level swim spas in Canada in 2025 start between $20,000 to $25,000. Now, what's an entry-level swim spa? It's a swim spa basically functioning as a large hot tub or as a small pool replacement. Swim spas in this entry-level category usually are around 12 to 14 feet and offer basic swimming capabilities. Hydropool sells the 13-foot Aquaplay FFP in this range. A mid-level swim spa would be between $30,000 to $50,000. This is usually a swim spa that's a little bit larger and allows for a wider variety of workouts with a more superior swimming performance. Our Aquasport and our Executive Sport are our series in this range. Lastly, a high-end swim spa should be between $50,000 to $70,000. These swim spas should be able to deliver an elite-level swimming experience, plus act as a pool replacement and as an aquatic sport exercise center / wave pool, or it even in some cases can offer you a separate hot tub and swim spa configuration. Our Aqua Trainer and Executive Trainer collections are at this level. If you're looking for specific models, I want you to know that we publish all of our pricing for every model on our website. So if you want a price for a model, you can go check that out at any time. A lot of companies don't tell you what their pricing is up front, but we believe in being as transparent as possible with our customers. Now, with that in mind, I want you to know that the prices I've given you are for the swim spas themselves. With any swim spa, there are also installation costs you need to be aware of. Most have to be delivered by crane, so make sure you budget that cost in. You will also need to pay for electrical, and you're going to need to pay for a cement pad to be built underneath. These are variable costs, but generally they can add up to between $5,000 to $10,000 to any swim spa price. So, if you're shopping for a swim spa, you can pay anywhere from $25,000 to $70,000 with roughly $5,000 to $10,000 in installation costs with whatever you buy. And remember, you can check out our prices for any of our specific models directly on our website. We hope that this helps you as a guide. I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. The water is calling.